These are like Tony Stark's mixed with Run DMC. I'm loving it already. I think Jim Halo just turned me into Tony Stark.
You have reached the life model decoy of Tony Stark.
Yeah, man, they hooked me up today. Woo! Look at that. Look. Jim Halo Smart Audio Eyewear. That is beautiful. Listen, when they said they had a special gift, I couldn't wait to see it. Smart Audio Eyewear by Jim Halo. Listen, I said it once, I'll say it a million times. When you need glasses, there's only one place to go. Jim Halo. Look at that. All right, let's see what we got. So, features are open surround sound system, interchangeable frame, 6-hour playtime. Wow, that's at a default of 70% volume. I don't think anybody's going over 70% anyway. So you're gonna get 6 hours of playtime, splash proof. Man, that's what's up. All right, oh, look at that, even 5 hours of talk time. This is good for me because, you know, for people like me who always have to wear glasses, I know some people wear glasses to try to be cool or cute or look smart. But for me, as a motivational speaker, trainer, mentor, and entrepreneur, I have to wear glasses, right? I think these are gonna come in great handy for me. I was looking for smart glasses before, and when they told me that they came out with their own set, I was so curious to see what they had. Reason being, we do this thing called priming, right? When we're listening to our favorite songs, we get ourselves in the mood, getting ourselves pumped up to go deliver a speech. Well, to be able to have that within the glasses that I have to wear anyway to deliver my speech or my presentation or do my PowerPoints, that's... What did they say in the beginning? What was it? What was the slogan? Oh, yeah, look. Technical, but fashionable. You guys seen all the other ones out there in YouTube land. All the other smart glasses, they were kind of ugly. Look at, these are like Tony Stark's mixed with Run DMC. I'm loving it already. I think Jim Halo just turned me into Tony Stark.
I've never even been in the same room as Tony Stark.
All right, so I'm connected to these right now. I don't know if the Bluetooth is gonna do anything or audio, but this is how they look.
You are really bloody stylish, aren't you?
Yeah, I like the song say stylish like Billie Eilish or whatever. Hear me out. This is my prescription. You see this? My prescription. I get to look good and stylish with my prescription glasses that are smart glasses. I can have a conversation, listen to my music, or get pumped up to go deliver a motivational speech. That is dope. Man, you don't get much better than that all in one. Listen, I said it once and I'll say it again. When you need glasses, there's only one place to go. It's Jim Halo.